Hey guys, how are you? Hope everyone is doing great. So in this lab I'm going to show you how to install Server 2019. Server 2019, it's a little bit different installation. So normally if you install Server 2008, 2012, 2016, it won't give you this error message. So I wanted to show you that if you install Server 2019, there are a few things that you need to take care of. So first of all, exactly like this, you need to follow this, and actually, I will show you the error message first. So create a new VM, and for server 2019, always you need to start like this. You don't need to provide the ISO first. So I'm gonna provide the ISO first just to show you the error message. We'll just continue with the normal way of installation and done. And here you just power up and it will start installation, and it keeps on going. It will ask for what type of server needs to be installed. So Server 2019 comes in two different editions, Standard Edition and Data Center Edition. Then in Standard Edition it comes as a CLI version, just a simple server with a command line interface, or a desktop experience. Desktop experience is a new name for GUI. Remember that we went through GUI installation, graphical user interface. So we will go with data center. Desktop experience. So it's starting up. So the goal here is I wanted to show you the error message that whenever you install Server 2008 in this manner, so we select Server 2019 data center desktop. This is desktop experience, and you click next, and in few moments you will be getting this error message. Okay, now in order to fix this error message, all we need to do is to little bit change the way we install the server. So what I will do, I will shut this server down. So power off this server. I'm not gonna need this server, so you need to start fresh. You cannot just fix this server now. So all you need to do is create a new server, and then next. So here don't choose server installation ISO. Here just say I will install operating system later, and then usual steps. And here make sure that you provide the right name. So I'm gonna give here NetPlus DC01, NetPlus DC01, because this is our new Server 2019 lab. And next, actually, yeah, I already have this name here, so I'm gonna use here let's say pass DC01. So pass is the organization name, DC is a domain controller, and next, and here what I would suggest is just finish the installation. So as soon as you finish the installation, since we have not provided the ISO, it will stop right here. So what you need to do, go to edit. Here, before starting the server, always go to edit, and within edit go to options, go to advanced, and within advanced just change this UEFI to BIOS. So this is the way the machine will start. So BIOS, you need to select BIOS. So this is the second thing you need to do, and now you should start the server. Now server will start. As we have not provided the ISO, it will definitely give us an error message, but basically why we are doing this, because we are doing this to avoid that error message. So it will error out in few minutes, and it will say operating system not found. So till that point we need to just wait. It will take few more moments here. So in this manner, guys, we need to start we need a new lab for this with Server 2019 server. Server 2016 is exactly the same. So but I want you to create two Server 2019 now. So what we need to do here is saying operating system is not found, and what you need to do is go to settings. So we need to now provide the ISO. So you can go here, go to settings, or right here. So follow the mouse and it's right here. CD is right here. You can double click on the CD here as well. So both will take you to the CD because we need to provide that ISO. It directly takes to ISO, but if you go to settings here, it will take you to the settings, and you just need to select the CD. So from here it directly takes you there. From here it opens up general settings. So when you select CD, just select connected, and then here select the ISO, and just select your appropriate ISO, which is server 2019 here, and open and start. So once it is selected and you made sure that there should be a green light on this, so just follow the mouse pointer here. You should see a green light with the CD. Just click inside and then press enter. So once you press enter, now the setup will start again. It will again ask you with the option to install server 2019 standard edition or the data center edition. Remember that we are installing data center edition. Now same error, you might get it with server 2016, and you will do exactly the same steps in there as well. So now here I will select English and then install. So once the server starts installation, this time it will again ask, but this time you won't get that error message. But in case if you get the error message again, just delete this machine, power off this machine, delete the machine, and start over again. So here all you need to do is select data center, desktop experience, and next. So this time it won't give an error message. This time it is giving you this, and sometime it asks for the licensing, and after that it's a usual installation. If it is asking for licensing, you need to start again, delete the machine, and recreate. So guys, this video is to show you how to install server 2019. I will see you in another video. Thank you.